Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to identify links related to Cash App scams. Scammers often use fake website and links to trick you into give away your personal information or money. I will show you key signs to watch for so you can stay safe and avoid falling victims to these scams. Let's get started. First, we say 14 Cash App scams to be aware. First scam is cash flipping. Scammers promise to multiply your money quickly. They might show fake proof, then ask for more money, but once you pay, they disappear. Second is loan scams. Fake lender often loans but ask for upfront fees or personal info first, then vanish. Third is accidental payment scam. You get accidentally sent money and scammers ask you to send it back. Later, the original payment is reversed, leaving you out of pocket. Never return money from unknown senders without verifying. 4 is rental deposit scams. Fake lenders ask for deposits on non-existence or unavailable rental. Always verify properly listing and meet lenders in person before paying. Here is an example. It's like this. Okay. 5 is investment scams. Scammers promise big returns on investment or Bitcoin but disappear after you pay. Be caution to too good to be true offers, especially for strangers. 6. Cash App card scams. Phishers patterns to be Cash App support asking for your card details to steal your money. Never share your card info or PIN with anyone. 7 is fake pet deposit scams. Scammers offers pets at low price but ask for upfront fees and then disappear. Use trusted for pet adoption and don't pay without seeing the pet. 8. Social engineering scammers. Scammers impersonate friends or family, ask for urgent money transfer, verify request by contacting the person direct outside of Cash App. Next one is here's data breach scams. Fake alerts about Cash App data breach tricks you into given login info. Ignore such messages and never click suspicious links. 10 is job offer scams. Fake jobs require upfront payments for training or equipment that don't exist. Don't pay for jobs or training before confirmed identity. 11 is charity scams. Fraudsters force a charity to get donation and then vanish. Donate only to verify organization and check official website. QR code scams. Fake Cash App reps contact you asking for personal info. Cash App will never ask for sensitive info. Unsolidated, be suspicious of any such contact. Customer support scam. Fake Cash Apps reps contact you asking for personal info. And last one is social security scams. Scammers claim issue with you SSN and request money to fix it. Government agencies never ask for payment via Cash App or other payment apps. Now we see how to identify fake links related to Cash App scams. Scammers often send fake links pretending to be Cash App website or support pages. These links can steal your login info or install malware. Here's how to spot fake Cash App links. First, check the URL carefully. Legitimate Cash App's website always use Cash App or official Square domains. Be suspicious of misspelling or extra words like cashappsupports.com or cashappsecure.net. Look for HTTPS and the padlock icon. Real Cash App pays you secure connection, but remember, some fake sites also use HTTPS, so this alone isn't enough. Avoid clicking links from unknown source. Don't click links sent via unsolicited emails, text, or social media messages claim urgent action or rewards. Don't enter your login info on suspicious sites. If you unsure, go directly to the Cash App through the official app or type Cash App in your browser yourself. Be watch out for urgent or threatening messages. Scammers use panic tactics to make you act quickly without thinking. Always take a moment to verify. That's for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.